Trying to decide which boiler brand is best for your home can be tricky. But don't worry, here we'll talk through a few of the top brands in the UK so that you can make an informed decision. When it comes to deciding on the best brand for you, it ultimately comes down to trust and personal preference. All of our new boilers are A-rated for energy efficiency, include our best-in-class warranty and maintenance service, and can usually be installed the very next day. Let's take a quick look at the top 4 brands that we install. First up, Worcester Bosch, who are our best-selling boiler brand, and for good reason. With over 50 years of experience in the industry and having won the coveted Which Best Buy award for the past decade, Worcester Bosch boilers are one of the most reputable and popular brands in the UK with market-leading warranties. Our BOXT engineers have installed their boilers for many years in thousands of homes up and down the country. Next up, Ideal have been around for over a century and are widely known in the industry for creating extremely reliable and efficient boilers that offer great value for money. They're renowned for being simple to service and repair and come with a range of warranties. Next, let's look at BOXT, who also have a long history in the heating industry. They've been around since 1866, so it's safe to say they know a thing or two about boilers. Their full range of boilers are a hit with both installers and homeowners and often perform highly in consumer surveys for reliability, ease of use and customer service. BOXT are also dedicated to manufacturing really efficient boilers at affordable prices. Last but not least, Navion boilers. Although relatively new to the UK market, Navion have been around since the late 1970s. The brand has gained recognition for their smart technology and durable products. Navion are also known for their affordability, providing excellent value for money and come with a 5-year warranty as standard. So in summary, if you're looking for the UK's most popular and more premium boiler brand, then Worcester Bosch would be your go-to. If value and efficiency is a priority, then Ideal is a fantastic option. If you're looking for a great boiler on a budget, then BOXT could hit the mark. And finally, our Navion boilers are a really good option if you're cost conscious, but without compromising on quality. But they all do an equally brilliant job of heating every type of home. And that's why they're our favoured boiler brands. So whichever one you go for, you're in safe hands. If you still need a little more help choosing though, click the link below and head over to our website to live chat with a member of our expert BOXT team.